Siyempre, kahit legit yung app pero 3 days before due date, nakaka-stress naman talaga yung tawag ng tawag. Oy, aminin. Pero may mga apps na may tiwala naman sila sa kanyang users kaya tahimik sila unless overdue ka. And that is why I love these loan apps na hush-hush lang sila while papalapit na yung due date. If responsible borrower ka, this video is for you. Ay ilan na sa inyo yung nagtatanong ano pa daw yung mga apps na yung maganda at hindi makulit. So, based on my experience, i-share ko lang sa inyo sa video na to. Siyempre, SEC registered and para siya sa mga responsible borrowers dahil CIC reporting po yung mga loan apps na to. And disclaimer lang ha, that this video is not sponsored. Based po siya sa personal experience ko sa mga accounts na to na meron akong sariling account at nagamit ko talaga. Please constantly be alert sa mga changes as the company could change their protocols without prior notice. Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy ha, saglit lang. Alam niyo naman na pag nag-glasses ako guys, di ba nakikita niyo yung reflection ng ilaw. I wear contact lenses at kung bet niyo yung ganitong brown, I am currently wearing contact lenses na nabili ko sa EO Optical. Of course, nasa Shopee. Ang dami niyong pagpipilian pero kung bet niyo yung ganitong brown, meron akong sinamang product sticker na nasa baba ng video na to. Okay, so without further ado, here are the apps na hindi makulit. And number 1, of course, nangunguna po sa lista natin, si Bilis. It is a buy now pay later app na available po sa Google Play or sa iOS and you can borrow up to 50,000 pesos na pwede cash loan, e-wallet top-up, bills payment, QR payment na zero interest if paid on the next payday. May up to 12 months repayment and pwede monthly or 2 times a month ang pagbabayad. So every quincena. Interest is around 5% per month pero syempre it's a no collateral loan app na kailangan lang ay one valid ID para makapag-apply. Even if it's higher than a credit card, better naman siya kaysa sa mga online na 15-30 days lang at umaabot pa sa 12% or 15% yung interest. Need ng billing statement. Pero hindi siya kailangan na nakapangalan sa'yo ha. But dapat tugma po yung address sa statement and sa address ng details ng ID mo. Select the correct source of income and do note na need payslip if yung source of income is regularly employed. If the approves of Bilis, don't worry, let's move on to the next app. Okay, so yung next app natin ay si Grab Loan. Well, Grab Loan is a cash loan service provided through the Grab app. I repeat, sa Grab app lang po ha. And if may offer ka, you will see the loan tab. Dati para lang po siya sa mga Grab drivers, but it is now also offered to consumers na may Grab app na active for at least 3 months. Remember, you need to be at least 21 years old and dapat goods ang credit history mo para magka-offer. O-offer siya ng up to 50,000 po na credit limit or cash loan na payable up to 3 months na installment and 5% or below din ang kanyang interest. May one-time service fee siya pero buong natatanggap ang loan which credited po sa Grab app wallet mo pag na-approve. Depende siya sa credit history, maaaring one loan at a time or pwede kang magka-offer even with an existing loan. Yung increase sa credit limit depende rin po sa payment history mo. So, just make sure na lang na wala tayong issues with other lenders para magka-offer. Ang kagandahan nito for now is that hindi siya po nag-charge ng penalty pag na-late ka ha. Wow! Ang bait naman. But it can negatively impact your credit score and eligibility sa mga future loans. Texts and emails po natatanggap ko 3 days before my due date. So, be sure na lang na funded po yung payment method. And in my case, it is GCash before the due date because guys, on your due date, first thing in the morning, umagang umaga, mag-auto debit siya. But don't worry if wala ka pa ring offer. Pero tayo next product loan or loan and that is si Samo naman. Samon is actually a rural bank with a digital platform and it offers different lending products like product loan, cash loan, and yung pinaka-popular niya, I guess, is yung Samon Credit, which comes with an access card. You can get up to 250,000 na revolving credit, but approval and the limit assigned will of course depend on your credit history. So, para magka-Salmon Credit, meron siyang app na pwedeng ma-download either sa Google Play Store or sa App Store and you need to apply with one valid ID and approval can be as fast as 3 minutes. You may start with, tulad sa akin, 3,000 pesos and then nag-increase siya over time. And ngayon, nasa 60,000 ako. If sa experience ko, nagte-text lang siya to let you know that your billing statement is already available and therefore, you need to pay your full amount due upon the due date. Well, with Samon, pwede kang mag-minimum but the remaining balance will incur a 9% fee on the next cut-off. Mas maganda kapag fully paid siya dahil revolving naman siya, which means na as long as your account is in good standing, pwede mo siyang paulit-ulit na gamitin. With the 9% interest monthly, it's best to avail of the 0% na QR purchases niya and pay lang timely because mabigat din yung 9%. Hindi siya makulit for as long as on time ka nagbabayad. And kung wala ka pa ring salmon, baka sa next loan platform ay pwede ka. Yung next one natin ay si Lazada Fast Cash. Ito naman ay cash loan feature or service within the Lazada app and may be provided by Atome, Pera247, or si WeFund. Sa akin, Pera247 po yung provider. You can borrow up to 80,000 pesos na payable up to 12 months and interest around 5%. And the initial credit limit or when ka magkaka-increase or kung pwede ka mag-multiple or one-time loan at a time, depend on credit history of course. Activation is simple. Ipo-follow mo lang yung prompts na nasa loob ng Lazada app when you see this button or invite. But to get an offer, it depends on how active you are as a Lazada user and your credit records, of course. Dapat wala kang sablay sa ibang mga lenders. So far, sa experience ko, okay naman siya. Hindi siya makulit. I just get a text or an email reminder a few days before my due date. Well, kung wala ka pa rin Lazada Fast Cash, meron pa tayong ibang mga loan apps na babanggitin dito. Breaker muna tayo ha, bago tayo magpatuloy. At ano pa yung lipstick na suot-suot mo? I'm currently wearing a lipstick from MAC. Ito po yung shade niya. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo, but kung hindi nyo makita, then meron tayong product sticker na nasama sa video na to. Back to our regular programming. Okay, next naman sa lista natin ay si Mari Loan. Ito yung dating si Maribank Credit or si Cbank Credit. And having said that was offered by Maribank, which is now a Digibank. I guess with that transition, more and more users will be offered a Mari Loan access or the Maribank CC or credit card. The offer, the initial limit, the terms and conditions will depend on how active you are sa paggamit ng ibang features ni Maribank. And of course, sa credit records niyo. Do not expect na agad magkaka-Mari Loan ka kapag open mo ng account kay Maribank. FYI, mga 1 year din akong user ng dating si Cbank bago nagka-invite at na-activate ko yung Maribank Cbank credit ko dati. Yung savings ko back then was around 5,000 pesos. I started with 20,000 pesos na credit limit and at ngayon nasa 40k na siya. The increase was after a year. But you can be given up to 100,000 na credit limit that you can pay in 12 months with reasonable interest rates. Pwede siyang multiple loans at a time, depende sa credit limit mo. So far, reliable naman siya because unlike mga OLAs, hindi siya biglang nawawala yung access sa credit limit mo. No calls, just text around 3 days before your due date. Kung wala ka pa ring Mari Loan offer, meron pa tayong next one. This revolving credit is offered by Maya Bank, which is a fully licensed digital bank. You can get up to 50,000 pesos of credit limit and activation takes a few clicks lang within the app if you are eligible, of course. You need to be at least 21 or not more than 65 years old para magka-offer or ma-activate mo siya, and your Maya app should be upgraded. And dapat wala kang issues sa credit score mo. The issue I have with Maribank, with Maya Credit, is that yung dating 7.45% yung service fee ay ngayon naging 9% na siya. That's a very big consideration. May fina-follow siyang billing cycle and the due dates are constant. So, best to pay dues in full upon the due date. As a revolving credit na nare-replenish naman siya agad kapag nagbabayad ka, and tahimik lang siya but occasionally may calls din. But it's not that bad. You're gonna compare it with Ola. Anyway, aside from being able to use its QR payment offline or online, this payment, pwede siyang ma-transfer sa wallet. And with that, good as cash na rin. Well, kung wala ka pa rin Maya Easy Credit, meron pa tayong next. Shopee Cash Loan, aka S-Loan, a cash loan feature provided within the Shopee app. You can borrow up to 100,000 pesos. Depende syempre sa system kung magkano ang i-assign sa'yo upon activation. It is available to select users with good credit history and active po sa Shopee. You can have multiple loans na pwede up to 12 months yung payment, and from time to time may promo siyang reduced rates or temporary credit limit increase. But without a promo, interest rates could be somewhere between 1% to 5%, and the assigned interest will depend on individual credit assessment. I-monitor nyo na lang yung app nyo constantly for offers or notifications or any changes cash loan offer niya. Next, we have Credivo. Credivo is a buy now pay later app na may cash loan din. Offers up to 30,000 pesos na credit limit, pero depende sa system kung magkano yung magiging initial credit limit mo. Only a portion of that pwedeng i-cash loan. And it can be paid in 6 or 3 months. Yun yung style niya. So may admin siya, pero buo naman siyang makukuha. Doon naman sa QR transactions, meron siyang ino-offer na 0% interest if paid within 30 days and a very low admin fee. Unfortunately for now, konti lang po yung acceptable IDs niya. Medyo conservative po siya sa binibigay niyang credit limit. Hindi po siya mabilis nag-increase. Overall, goods naman siyang gamitin. Hindi po siya humihingi ng payslip, but the follow-up questions while you're applying for, this loan will depend on the source of income na indicated po. And kailangan pong accurate po yung information na sinasabit mo sa kanya kasi medyo strict po yung kanyang screening process. So, low interest, strict screening, you get the idea, right? Medyo naka-isang taong try again ako dito bago ako na-approve at buti naman at nabigyan ako ng 20,000 na credit limit. Okay, second to the last na. This ReviCredit is a financing product offered by CIMB PH. You can get up to 250,000 in credit limit, but as a product offered by a bank, depende po talaga siya sa credit history. So, credit history, credit score po talaga yung labanan dito. I got an offer a few months after I was using my G-Credit via GCash. Dahil si ReviCredit or si CIMB, siya po yung provider ng G-Credit. Pwede siyang i-transfer so goods as cash, or pay via QR, and these transactions follow a billing cycle. So para siyang credit card, only that yung interest niya is a little bit higher, and that's around 4% per month. Also, depending sa account standing mo, you can use the term loan feature, which is more of a cash loan that is payable in monthly installments. So last na lang meron akong isa-suggest sa inyo, yung talagang tahimik until such time na hindi ka na makabayad. Like super tahimik, very professional po yung treatment niya sa kanyang mga users, and of course, it's not an OLA, but rather it is a credit card. And credit card, hindi po siya OLA, hindi po siya a loan app. It is an extension of your wallet. Let's think of it more as convenience. Kung nababayaran siya in full, of course, malabas sa 0% interest siya. And there are, options and ways to avoid paying the annual dues. Well, it's always good to pay your credit card dues in full kasi otherwise, whatever it's outstanding, magkakaroon po yan ng finance charge or additional fees. Umabot siya sa next cut-off. Yung kagandahan lang nito is that meron siyang maraming perks like 0% interest na payable in 3 months, or meron siyang mga payment holidays before you start your first payments, mga ganon. And definitely, it's better and better and better kaysa OLA. But if you don't have a credit card, then you have the loan apps na binanggit ko kanina. So that's all I have on my list. Let me know if meron mo nakalimutan. And final note lang na though these products are reliable, but they heavily take your credit history into consideration. You need to be a responsible user, not just sa isang app, but sa lahat ng apps na meron kang active loans. Since this is just a list, please check the link to the individual videos na nasa description box po. What do you think of this list, guys? If meron kayong ibang experience or meron kayong gusto kong idadag, let me know in the comment section. Usapan natin yan sa next video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye!